Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by inspecting seams and feeling forgive. This tells you which direction to nudge pieces. Use a magnifier and bright light to spot friction points and a cloth to protect finishes. With small pliers and a flat pick, apply gentle, controlled pressure to a single piece. Do not pry multiple pieces at once. Once one piece moves slightly, stop and reassess. Make sure to note which joint loosened, so you can follow the natural sequence rather than forcing unrelated parts apart. Now you focus on the core sequence. Slide the loosened piece a fraction at a time and observe connected pieces for reciprocal movement. Alternate small twisting motions with 0.5 to 1 mm slides and intermittently release tension to prevent binding. If a piece resists, shift to an adjacent joint. That often reveals the necessary degree of freedom. Make sure to use leverage only at visible hinge points. This preserves shape and prevents permanent deformation, which would ruin the puzzle and block future moves. Finish by reversing the removal steps carefully. Reassembly is best done by following the sequence in reverse, so make sure you remember or record the order. Fit pieces without forcing and restore original tension. Tighten only as needed. If something jams near the end, stop immediately. Backtrack 2 moves and try again. Clean contact areas with a soft cloth and apply a tiny amount of light lubricant to reduce binding. This approach prevents damage and gets the puzzle operating smoothly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.